Okay, so do write down to me what will be the next topic in which I should make videos on. Should I make videos on boric repertory? Should I make videos on vanilla, a remedy from the plant kingdom? Should I make video on some of the Ophidians group like Sancris or the mammal kingdom remedy like Lac humanatum and all? So do write down to me what are the topics should I discuss next. So today we'll discuss another very wonderful remedy, that is placenta humana, and I have prescribed this remedy once, and beautiful remedy, and basically it's a human sarcode. It is from the prepared from the placenta which is added to the mother to the fetus, and some of the major delusion that he is lighter than air, just like Asaram. Delusion good he is, he thinks he is very good. Do you think everything is all right? And he gets ailments from, especially from the discords between the family members, and that could be the major core of the most of the remedy. Only 28 remedies are there, and I have used in several times this rubric, and this could be the major core of most of the remedies. Okay, so you can use this. It's a mammalia primates parts used in human sarcode. It's basically a sarcode. So placenta humanata is prepared from the human placenta. It has a huge sphere of action in nervous system and extremity. The major peculiar symptom that he has a delusion that everything is all right. He develops anger towards mother. There is itching in the eye aggravated from rubbing. So that's all this the peculiar of this remedy, the particulars of this remedy. So placenta humanata, mentals get triggered from the discord from the relative, friends and parents between. So that's the major triggering point. Whenever he will have any discords, any rivalry between the relatives, friends and parents, he will develop the sickness, I would say. And you can look around some of the rubric. Discord aggravate, lots of discord aggravate, especially between relative, friends and parents. Delusion good he is, he thinks he is very good. Only single remedy is there, that is placenta humana. Delusion lighter than air, just like Asaram, you can find he is lighter than air. Delusion watched she is being, he is always being watched by someone else, always been watched. For a bahu of the girl, for a daughter-in-law of the girl, of the home, who has been watched every time by his mother-in-law. That the major ailment he developed. Whether what can he do, what can she do, whether she is doing any household work or not, that the major delusion he has. He has always been watched. Delusion narrow everything is to. Lots of suffocation, conjunction you will found in this type of remedy. Always think there is everything is narrow. You always want to broaden the thing. He feel lot of suffocation in that. Harmony sensation of, lots of harmony desire. Most of the remedy could be very much similar to that of the carcinosin as well. Always want to desire harmony sensation. Always has the harmonious sensation. Industrial mania for work, household matter about. Very much industrial about. Very hard working type of woman. Politics aversion. You don't want to involve in any type of politics. Younger daughter-in-law and the elder daughter-in-law. They don't want to get conflict between each another. That's the major code. Don't want any politics. Even she hate hearing anything about politics, especially in the news channels as well. So I had a case of 41-year-old female suffering with hypothyroidism. She has a constant discord between the family, especially with her sister-in-law. She gets offended easily when she disobeys his will. He always desired to company of the family. There is a huge anxiety about all his family members, even about his mother-in-law. She is very sympathetic towards the suffering of others. We gave placenta humana 1M, and after that she did well. So this is the major essence of the case. That's the major theme of the case. He has been having discord with his sister-in-law in the family, and that's how he triggers the illness. Lot of anger you can develop, between the parent, especially towards the mother. Delusion, all right, everything is, he thinks everything is all right. Reproaches oneself, other reproach one. He thinks very much reproached by oneself. Think of placenta. Eye itching leads rubbing aggravate. Lots of itching in the eye which aggravates from rubbing. Back pain morning bed, stretching aggravate. Pain in the back in the morning, which is aggravate from stretching. Think of this remedy. Stiffness knee motion being ameliorated. So stiffness in the knee, which is ameliorate from the motion. Think of placenta as a remedy. You can also read my books. Do write down to me at nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.